In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Zillow notifications, 2026 guide. Managing your alerts can keep your inbox clean and make sure you only see updates that actually matter to you. I'll walk you through the process on both the website and the mobile app, and you can choose to fine-tune specific alerts or switch everything off entirely. First, open Zillow. If you're on a phone or tablet, launch the Zillow app. On a computer, go to Zillow.com in your browser. Look to the upper right corner and tap or click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings. This opens your main dashboard where all of your preferences live. Now head to your notification controls. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Notifications, and on some versions you might see it called Subscriptions. Open that. Here's a quick note on devices. The mobile app is best for managing push notifications that pop up on your phone, while email preferences are usually easiest to adjust from a web browser. You can still review everything in one place, but keep that difference in mind if you don't see the exact option you need on mobile. If you only want to stop certain types of messages, you can customize categories instead of turning everything off. Next to each category, like saved searches, saved homes, or home loans and refinancing, select Edit. Change the status to off or toggle the switch so it's disabled. Then confirm by selecting Apply or Save. This lets you silence the noise you don't need while keeping the alerts that help you stay on top of new listings or price changes. Take a moment to review each category and repeat the adjustment for any others you want to quiet. If you prefer a completely quiet experience, you can disable all alerts at once. At the top of the notifications page, look for the option to turn off all notifications. Select it, and when the prompt appears, confirm by choosing Turn off all notifications again. Zillow notes that it can take up to 24 hours for the change to fully process, so you may briefly receive messages that were already queued. After that window, your account should be silent across email and push. That's it. You've now customized or completely disabled Zillow notifications and taken control of your alert flow. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime to re-enable alerts or fine-tune categories as your search evolves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.